Hi, I'm back. A while ago, I promised I would connect. Soon, here we are. Most people have not even heard about this yet. Yes, you heard it right. The HPE AI Factory. It was announced at HPE Discover Barcelona 2024 in partnership with NVIDIA. I'm among the first few talking about this innovation, whether you are a customer, system integrator, or a competitor. Stay tuned. By the end, you will know what the AI factory is, its potential, and how it is transforming enterprise AI. Welcome to one more insight. This is Farooq Khan, solution leader and trusted advisor. AI is moving beyond the hype, but scaling it remains the largest challenge. Enterprises are strict with fragmented and complex infrastructure. The HPE AI Factory solves this by delivering integrated, scalable, and secure AI infrastructure. Today, I will cover what the AI Factory is, who it's built for, what's problem it solves, where the market is heading. We will also look at real world use cases and how system integrators can leverage this opportunity. HPE's CEO Antonio Neri summed it up perfectly. AI is only as good as the infrastructure and data behind it. That's the essence of the AI factory: scalable, secure, and efficient AI infrastructure. Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's founder, said we are entering a new era, an era where intelligence is generated at industrial scale. Together, HPE and NVIDIA are building the infrastructure to make that vision real. Think of it as an AI data center in a box, a full stack platform combining HPE servers, NVIDIA GPUs, HPE storage, and AI management software, all validated and optimized for AI workloads. Here's how the architecture works. Data and ingestion layer connects all enterprise data sources. Compute layer HPE ProLiant Generation 12 plus NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs. A storage layer HPE Alletra MP X 10,000 for unstructured data. Networking layer NVIDIA Spectrum X or Infinity Band. AI management layer HPE Private Cloud AI plus NVIDIA AI Enterprises. If we look at deployment models, on premises for banks, governments, or regulated industries, co-location through Equinix for flexible scaling, hybrid via HPE GreenLake, system integrators lead deployment from readiness assessment to architecture design and lifecycle management. HPE and NVIDIA combine world-class hardware and software, high-performance compute, AI-ready storage, unified management, built for flexibility whether you are training LLMs or deploying AI at scale. If we talk about use cases, banking, fraud detection, risk modeling, healthcare imaging, genomic analysis, manufacturing, predictive maintenance, and retail, customer personalization, and more. Government's national AI models, smart cities, telcos, network optimization, energy predictive grid management, universities, shared AI labs. Market opportunity: the AI infrastructure market will exceed 220 billion by 2030, growing 25% plus annually. There is a massive opportunity for the enterprise and system integrators. The sources: the Grandview Research, Market and Markets. For CTO and CIOs, the AI factory simplifies the entire journey. Faster deployments, security by design, scalable for future workloads. System integrators make this real: assessing readiness, deploying validated designs, and managing the full AI life cycles. This opened the doors to recurring services model and long-term AI operation opportunities. To scale this ecosystem, HPE and NVIDIA must empower partners, system integrators through technical enablement programs, AI labs and demos, POCs, joint go to market and co selling models, or digital twins. AI factory is not future, it's already here. This is the moment for integrators and enterprises to lead the next wave of AI innovation. If you are exploring how to design and plan your AI ready infrastructure, or want to assess your current environment assessment readiness, let's connect. I will be your trusted advisor, helping you secure vendor support, distribution alignment, and smooth project execution and deliveries. Thank you very much. This is Farooq Khan. Thank you.